Coffee has a story. It's a long one, a tale that spans centuries and continents, touching the lives of millions. But to truly understand coffee, we must go back to its roots. It starts in the highlands of Ethiopia, a land of rugged beauty and ancient traditions. Here, amidst the rolling hills and lush greenery, the legend of coffee began. There, legend says, a goat herder named Kaldi noticed something odd. His goats, usually calm and docile, were behaving in a most peculiar manner. His goats were acting strange. They were leaping and bounding with an unusual vigor, almost as if they were dancing. They were full of energy after eating berries from a particular tree. Kaldi, curious and intrigued, decided to investigate further. He tried the berries himself. He felt energized too. The berries had a unique effect, filling him with a newfound vitality and alertness. Word spread about these magic berries. Monks in nearby monasteries heard of Kaldi's discovery and decided to experiment with the berries themselves. They made a drink from them. They stayed awake for prayers. The drink helped them remain alert during their long hours of evening devotions and midnight vigils. This was the humble beginning. From these simple berries, a global phenomenon was born. The energizing effects of coffee began to be appreciated far and wide. The world's love affair with coffee was born. Over time, coffee spread beyond Ethiopia, captivating the hearts and minds of people across the globe. From these Ethiopian highlands, coffee would journey across continents. It would change history. Trade routes were established, and coffee became a valuable commodity. And it all started with jittery goats. The simple curiosity of a goat herder named Kaldi led to the discovery of one of the world's most beloved beverages. Coffee, with its rich history and cultural significance, continues to bring people together, one cup at a time. From Ethiopia, coffee traveled across the Red Sea to Yemen. It took root in the Yemeni soil. It thrived in the climate. Coffee became central to Yemeni culture. By the 16th century, coffee reached Istanbul, the heart of the Ottoman Empire. It arrived with traders. They brought this exotic brew to the bustling city. The Ottomans were intrigued by this dark, aromatic drink. They embraced it. Little did they know, coffee would soon become an integral part of their empire. Coffee quickly captivated the Ottoman palace. Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, a ruler known for his opulence and grandeur, developed a taste for it. He loved its rich flavor and stimulating effect. A new position was created, the Kahvesi, the chief coffee maker. This was a high honor. The Kahvesi prepared and served the Sultan's coffee. It was a position of great trust and responsibility. Coffee became intertwined with Ottoman court rituals. It was a symbol of power and prestige. The way coffee was prepared and served reflected the Sultan's power. The love of coffee wasn't confined to the palace walls. It spilled out into the streets of Istanbul. Coffee houses, known as kahvehanes, began to appear throughout the city. These were more than just places to grab a drink. They were social hubs. People gathered to discuss news, politics, and art. They played games like backgammon and chess. Live music, often traditional Ottoman music, filled the air. Coffee houses became centers of intellectual life. They were places where ideas were debated and shared. They were a vital part of Ottoman society. Section 5. Coffee, Conversation, and Controversy, a Social Revolution. The rise of coffee houses brought social change. People from all walks of life mingled in these spaces. Scholars debated with merchants. Artists exchanged ideas with everyday citizens. This kind of social mixing was new. It challenged the established order. Some saw coffee houses as places of subversion. They worried about the free flow of information. Despite the controversy, coffee houses thrived. They became ingrained in the fabric of Ottoman society. They remain so in Turkey today. Section 6. Beyond the Bosphorus. and served. It influenced European coffee culture, paving the way for the diverse coffee traditions we see today. From the espresso bars of Italy to the café culture of France, the legacy of Turkish coffee can be seen in the rich and varied coffee traditions that have developed across Europe. Its journey from the Ottoman Empire to the heart of Europe is a testament to the enduring appeal of this remarkable beverage. Section 7. A Modern Legacy, UNESCO, Recognition and Global Appreciation. The legacy of Turkish coffee is undeniable. In 2013 it received a prestigious honor. UNESCO inscribed Turkish coffee culture and tradition on the representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. This recognition solidified Turkish coffee's place in the world. It highlighted its importance not just as a drink but as a cultural tradition passed down through generations. Today, Turkish coffee is enjoyed worldwide. It represents hospitality, friendship, and a slower, more deliberate way of life. Section 8. Turkish Coffee Day, a celebration of culture and flavor. The love for Turkish coffee extends far beyond Turkey. In the United States, December 5th marks a special occasion, Turkish Coffee Day. This day celebrates the unique brewing method, the rich history, and the cultural significance of Turkish coffee. It's a chance to experience the tradition firsthand. People gather to savor the strong, flavorful brew. They learn about the art of Turkish coffee reading. They share stories and connect over this beloved beverage. Section 9. Preserving tradition, keeping the spirit of Turkish coffee alive. In a world of fast-paced living and instant gratification, Turkish coffee stands apart. Amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life where everything is about speed and efficiency, Turkish coffee offers a moment of respite. It invites us to slow down, to take a break from the relentless pace, and to savor the simple pleasures. It represents a slower, more mindful way of life. When you sit down with a cup of Turkish coffee, you are not just drinking a beverage, you are participating in a ritual that has been passed down through generations. This ritual encourages mindfulness and presence, allowing you to fully engage with the moment. It's about taking the time to prepare the coffee properly, with care and precision. The process of making Turkish coffee is an art form in itself. From grinding the beans to the perfect consistency, to stirring the coffee in a cezve over a gentle flame, every step requires attention and skill. This meticulous preparation is a testament to the value placed on quality and tradition. It's about savoring the aroma, the taste, and the moment. The rich, inviting aroma of Turkish coffee is a sensory experience that draws you in. As you take that first sip, you are greeted with a depth of flavor that is both complex and comforting. Each moment spent with a cup of Turkish coffee is an opportunity to appreciate the finer details of life. It's about connection, conversation, and shared experience. Turkish coffee is more than just a drink. It is a bridge that connects people. Whether you are sharing a cup with friends, family, or even strangers, it fosters a sense of community and belonging. The conversations that flow over a cup of Turkish coffee are often deep and meaningful, creating bonds that last a lifetime. As we embrace the future, let's not forget the traditions that ground us. In a rapidly changing world, it is easy to lose sight of the customs and practices that have shaped our identities. Turkish coffee serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage. By teaching the younger generation the art of making Turkish coffee, we ensure that this cherished tradition continues to thrive. Let's preserve the legacy of Turkish coffee. The legacy of Turkish coffee is rich and storied, filled with history and tradition. It is a symbol of hospitality, warmth, and generosity. By continuing to make and enjoy Turkish coffee, we honor the generations that came before us and keep their spirit alive. Let's keep its spirit alive for generations to come. The future of Turkish coffee lies in our hands. By sharing this tradition with others and passing it down to future generations, we ensure that the spirit of Turkish coffee remains vibrant and alive. Let us celebrate this timeless tradition and keep it flourishing for years to come.